pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Ooh, girl. Hey gems, it's Karen. Surprise, surprise, right? Okay, so I get into the Bejewelled palette again, and I find a bit of an issue. And then I have a few questions for you. So if you're new here, hi! I do hope you will stay for this video. My mood is a little meh in this video, and I'm just a little anxious, I guess you could say. My camera shut off in the middle of me saying my intro. Guys, join me for this video, and definitely leave me any comments in the description box down below and let me know how you like this look. Okay, let's get right into this. The tape is sexy, right? Alright guys, I put in blue contacts today and I wanted to get into, you guys asked me for a colorful look and I will get to it, I promise, but I really wanted to try the Bejewelled palette again today, so we're gonna go into this baby. Look at how beautifully broken in she is already. Isn't she gorgeous? I'm really wanting something elegant on my eyes today. My hair is not finished. And of course I've got my t-shirt on because I learned from my last video that I was always right wearing a t-shirt because I always seem to get concealer everywhere when I've got my clothes on that I'm actually going to wear for the day. Anyhow, I've got this knot in my stomach today and I want to do this look and I want to just have fun with it. So we're going to start out with the Happy Glow section. Ooh. Okay, so my camera took a picture and we're going to put it here. I did put down concealer and I also set it. So we're just going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill brush. And did you guys get this palette? It came back for another 24 hours from what I understand. I have a feeling like it's like a gimmick though. I mean, like I bought it when it said it was going to be 48 hours and it's a limited edition. It still says it's a limited edition, but it's back for another 24 or something like that. And I swear it's been over 24 already. I'm like, that's how they get you. Okay. All right. So guys, we're just going to do a chit chat eyeshadow look and hang out for a little bit. I want to know how everyone's been doing. I have been pretty good, not bad actually. Taking care of myself, doing what I need to do. Okay, so why do I feel like this color's darker over here? I don't know. But overall, I'm enjoying the new palettes that are coming out, the releases. I'm excited to be announcing some winners soon, so stay tuned because that's coming. And I just shipped a bunch of stuff to our previous winners, so that's coming too. And I've got to figure out new keychains for the Gem Squad and different bracelets. So you guys got to give me a minute for that and we'll figure that out. But I am excited. I think I have 1 or 2 keychains left, so they're on their way to you guys, and then we'll be figuring out other stuff. So, okay, where do we want to take this look? Well, usually I love me a dark crease, so I'm tempted to go into browns. There's no black in this palette, so I could do a nice like warm look, I guess. Take this into the dark brown and put that in my crease. I'm just really into cut creases lately and back to using tape on a lot of mine. Whoa, do you see how patchy that was? Okay, we need a different brush. Ooh, Okay. We need one that goes in the crease. Nicely. Blend that out. Wow. Okay. I was like, ah! So what looks do you want to see me do? I know somebody said a colorful look. So I will get to doing a colorful look probably for Throwback Thursday next week. And I'll probably use Blue Blood to do it. Ooh. I do like the Madison Beer collection a lot. If you have not seen that video, I would highly suggest watching it. And then I put out some other ones on winged liner and lashes, so have fun with it. And then we're going to be doing a story time video soon, which is making me a little nervous, but it's a part 2 that's been coming for a while, so I want to get it out. It's going to be one of those days, you know, but it's all part of the healing process. Okay, so this is not blending as well as I would like it to for some reason. And maybe it's because I set my concealer last time. I cannot remember if I did or if I didn't. But wow, holy patchiness right there. That's not a good thing at all. Let's try a different brush. You guys see that? I just washed all my brushes again. Okay, so some of these you gotta work with and use different brushes. That is for sure. And I do not like a patchy eye because it gets in the way of having a smooth crease. And you always want a smooth crease, especially if you're going to do a cut crease and put a shimmer on it. You need it to be nice and dark and filled in and beautiful. What the heck here, man? You hear my son, he's singing in the background. Do you know what he said to me the other day? He goes, Mom, I'll do me, you do you. Like, where'd you get that? He says, my teacher says that. So I was like, okay. Your teacher says that. That's interesting. Alrighty then. Let's see if we can do a double cut crease today. That would be kind of cool, right? It's been a minute since I've done something like that. And for some reason, I think the lighting is better with this background, but I don't know. I won't know until the video. Right now I'm looking down at my phone because my phone controls the camera. But I am not sure what's going on with my lighting. It's okay in some videos it's not. And I'm wondering if it's me. If I did something. I'm not sure. So you guys will have to let me know about that. Okay, so see where my cut crease is? We're going to go real sharp in the corner with e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And then we're going to bring it right over here. Oh, I got butterflies on my tummy today. There we go. Woo! I had my coffee this morning. I wanted more, but a little anxious today, so I'm not going to have any more. I know, go figure, right? Something must be wrong. Nah, I just got to cut back. Too much caffeine. Did I just say that? I did, didn't I? Too much caffeine, Karen. Come on. Okay. Yep. Come on now. Do what I want you to do. Nice line. Thank you. Mature lids are so much fun, aren't they, ladies? Damn things. Call them mature lids. They're a pain in the ass lids. Okay. I think that we have done that enough. Now I'm going to go back in with that lovely little brush that I had and just smooth out my crease before I add anything, any kind of color. Ooh, there we go. Much better. Although the ends here, I mean, come on now. Don't be disappointing me now, Charlotte. And get this $75 palette. Crazy amount of money. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting there. We're getting somewhere now, ladies. All right. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to set this. I'm going to do it. Would you guys be setting it? I would. See, and for some shadows, you're right. It doesn't work well to set it, and others it does. It makes it smooth. So it's easier to blend. Sometimes when it's tacky, it's not so easy to blend. Alrighty. Woo! Here we go. I'm liking that. I'm liking it. Now, I want to start here and go over and I need a fine detailing brush for this. Like maybe one of the new ones that I got from the Madison Beer collection. That would probably work. Wow, this one is like really tiny. Is that the liner brush? No. This one is the liner brush. All right, let's go with this baby here, the crease. What are we gonna put there? Good question. Let's start with something super light. And we'll do it right down here. Ooh, okay, let me build this up. Okay, so I put some eyeliner on to save some time, a little bit liquid on the top and of course the gel on the bottom. But what I want to do is I really like this brush. It definitely did the trick up here. I'm very excited about that. I want to grab like a stiff brush like this, and I want to take the lightest color in here. It's like in the middle here. And what I want to do is I want to stamp it right here so the inner corner is like super, super light. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Come on, girls. I know you can do this. I know it. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful shade. That is like, I love it. Okay, so now my question is, do I want to put it like right here? Yes, but I got to be careful because I got contacts. So we're going to make that corner really, 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 really light and shiny. And we're using my Stiffy to do it. I love how you guys have adopted that name, Stiffy. I think that's adorable. By the way, just wanted you to know that. I think that you're all adorable. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and with the darkest color in here, which is a brown. It's not really dark, but I think that's what I have to work with. Unless I dip into another palette, and I can, but I wanted to play with this one. Okay, so let's do some brown here because I haven't figured out what I want to do over here yet. I'm just not sure. I want to do something different, something that like you look at me and you're like, wow. And I've been getting really into eyes lately, even more so, and it's always been my thing, you know? I'm just like loving this right now. Okay. We got to make sure, build that up a little bit. Make sure it's dry because I did wet it. Well, the brush was wet. And then figure out if I want to do a wing and how I want to do it or what. I'm not sure. Guys, I wish you could talk to me right now. Okay, I'm back. So I fixed my hair a little bit and I did a thinner wing. And I'm letting my eyelash glue dry down here, making sure There's no problems. Always bring your eyelash glue with you, just in case. If you're going anywhere, do it definitely. Now I've got to figure out a highlight, and I think I want to try this lipstick I just got. What was it, Allure or that other box? I'm not sure. I need a little bit more mascara. I find it easier when my eyelashes, the real ones, are straight to put on fake ones, and then I'll go underneath sometimes with the mascara just to coat my real ones, so you know you can't see the separation or anything like that. But I do want to go in with a highlight, and this lipstick by whatever it was, and I totally cannot read that, so I don't know, but we're gonna see. Ooh, okay. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. I don't think I have a lip liner that goes with this. Ooh, I just got a whiff of that and I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Thanks, Jackson! Guys, I think I just found the answer to everything. This highlight and the Becca lip gloss that I have not used yet. Oh yeah, I'm thinking like, hi. Like, yes, okay, we could do this, right? Alrighty. All right, I need my highlight brush, and I want my Jaclyn Hill one. Where is it? Yeah, Jaclyn, where are you? Here we go. I just washed them. It's a little wet. Damn it. Crap, is it still gonna work? It's really, oh, there was some stuff coming off of it. Crap. Do I have another highlight brush available? I have that e.l.f. one, but I do not want to be using that one. I don't know why I'm mad at it, but I am. Okay, let me go in with a different highlight brush right now. And of course, Karen dropped something, as usual. Okay, so let's see. Oh. Oh my goodness, do you see that? I can't believe I was thinking about giving this puppy away. My whole world just got a whole lot brighter. Oh my. Hello. Hi, Fenty. Uh-huh. She is pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. I always put too much right there. Well, whatever. I'm gonna shine. I'm like, this bitch is glowing today. Yep, we are glowing. Could put a little on the chin and a little right there, but then we're like overdoing.